bump. I'm not following Tangy under there. Well, that was fun. I think my light's losing power. The way it makes it more atmospheric though. Extreme peaceful groundwater. It's quite a float. I'm really having to lift my knees into this. Kind of got an eerie beauty of its own when you're by yourself and the other lights have gone. You're just left with the little ripples on the rock and the roar of the water, and it's icy. It feels like this sort of icy tentacles wrapping themselves around the back of my knee and trying to pull me backwards. I'm not sure if you can see it here on the film, but there's a standing wave oscillation. The passage going up and down. I guess powered by this injection of flume water. Really quite strong here, like my right foot has been knocked away. Of course, being the sensible caver, just step out of the deep stuff. Now I've got wet pants, like this bit's always wet no matter what the water conditions. But today the flumes are actually flowing with quite a significant strength. You can see here, it's massive forked tongue where the water's rolling over. Trying not to splash the camera too much. You can see my knees making a sort of a spout about 30 centimeters high, from which I guess you could probably calculate how fast the water's flowing. It's definitely doing it good. Maybe 2 meters per second. But there's no way I could possibly swim against this even with my diving fins on. Of course the cameraman has been left well behind. I can see with beautiful reflections of light and the damp ribbing, and a sign that my friends are waiting for me somewhere. Little Scott hanging out, spread eagle, Tangy very excited about
This!
what?
This!
This? Oh, what is it though?
Well, it looks like a more muddy layer.
Oh, great.
Yes.
There's
It's
some
been
iron
mushed
deposit.
and sort of folded.
This must be iron, isn't it? I mean, that certainly looks like rust. Fe203. But yeah, it's definitely some ochre, some good sort of yellows in there. The camera's having all kinds of trouble with the white balance. It's not sure how colourful it is.
Shall we?
Yeah? Ah! Gets much more exciting video when you guys are walking in front of me.
What's this underneath?
I can't remember, it looks pretty grim down there. It's an easy climb on the left or the right. So beautiful, clean oversuit now. Look at those colours. They're so blue and yellow.
A good example of hydraulic jump there.
Hydraulic what?
Jump?
Jump.
Yeah.
What's the bit that's a hydraulic jump?
It's like,
The flumy pattern.
exactly. It's like a number to describe it.
Ooh.
Number.
Oh, okay, for the, yeah, level of felicity or whatever.
Yeah. Nice.
Flashy, flashy! Good right. Oh, he's blown backwards. So all those warnings that you forget about not to go around the outside bank of a river because that's where the stream is flowing fastest. Places like this really remind you of them in very quick, short succession. Difficult with only one hand, and the one hand being bare. And a rather sharp rock. This cameraman is walking on the bank for this bit. This looks pretty extreme, Mr. Camera, so I'm afraid you're probably going to have to go back in your box. Oh yeah, the spout, I remember this. Look at that whirling up. Oh, it kind of looks quite difficult though. Kind of extreme videography, really. No. spinning in both hands. Beautifully done by Alex.
Right, so the phone is goodbye. So I was Jarvis Warcroft, and this was Easegill between Snake Pot, heading up to no shortest cord really, back to the main passage, the wet way. Bye bye.